Hey everyone, it's Moni with Maidily, and I'm going to show you how to add additional text to your booking page. Adding additional text to your booking or checkout page is going to appear, depending on where you add it, will appear just like this. You can do that by navigating to Settings, Booking Forms and Communications, Calculator Checkout and Quote Pages, and then if you scroll down to the checkout page, this section here that says Checkout Form, you'll see that there's an additional information section, and you can expand all of the different sections underneath it and write out your additional text that you want to include in each section. What we mean by section is if you take a look at the checkout page itself, it's broken down into three main sections. Section 1 is the service and extras. Section 2 is the contact details section. Section 3 is the payment details section. In Maidily, you'll see that you have the ability to add additional text above and under each section. When it says under services and extras, your text will appear at the bottom of the service and extras section. When it says above the payment details section and you add additional text there, it will appear at the top of the payment details section right here. As you add text in Maidily itself to the booking page, you'll also be able to preview it by scrolling down and looking at the previewer. Just like this. There we go. You can hyperlink, bold the text, increase the font size, change the color. There's so many different ways you can edit the text. Feel free to explore that on your own. When you're done, all you have to do is just scroll to the bottom and click Save. Right there.